Hi guys! Let's play and learn about farm animals with the diorama. First we have cows. They produce delicious milk. A big cow is called a cow, and this is a baby cow called a cow. Next, a tractor arrives, carrying the horses. Horses are strong and beautiful animals. They can help carry farm produce. We have pig, and this is a male pig called a boar, and this is a female pig called a sow, and this is a baby pig called a piglet. And this is an alpaca. Its fur is very light and soft. And here we have goats. They are great grass eaters. And we also have cute rabbits. And this is a sheep, an animal with soft wool. And in this pond, we have geese. In the coop, there are chickens.